Hello kids, Shubha Mangalam. This is Hemalata at Little Scholar High School. Children, today we shall learn about the different parts of a plant and what are the different types of plants. Okay, we shall learn about the different parts of the plant and different types of the plants. Yes, children, plants are very important in our life. Okay, see, we all are living things. Plants also are also living things. We human beings are living things. We need air to breathe. Animals are also there. Animals also need air to breathe, and plants also respire. Okay, children, so from where we are getting this air to breathe? Yes, children, you should know that it is from the plants and the trees that we are getting the air to breathe. Okay, we all breathe air which contains oxygen. Okay, we all breathe air which contain oxygen. Oxygen is important for the life to continue. Oxygen is required by all the animals, by all the human beings to live. Okay, so which gas is important to live? Oxygen is important to live. Oxygen is required by human beings and by animals also. Now this oxygen is produced by the plants, okay, and the trees. Okay, so the oxygen is produced by whom, children? Oxygen gas is produced by plants and the trees. Okay, we find many trees and plants in our surroundings, isn't it? And in your home also there might be different plants and trees, isn't it, children? We should make sure that we have some plants or trees in our house. Why we should have some plants and trees in our homes? First thing is important thing, just know what I said. It gives oxygen, it keeps the air fresh. Plants and trees keeps the air fresh. Okay, plants and trees keeps the air fresh. Okay, and it gives very beautiful look also, isn't it? If you have plants in our house, it will get some flowers, some greenery will be there, isn't it? It gives a very pleasant thing, isn't it? We can be very pleasant whenever we look around the plants or the trees. Wherever we see the greenery, a pleasant mode will get, isn't it, children? So plants are important. First thing is because they give oxygen. Plants and trees give oxygen. Okay, children, and they also help us to be pleasant also, and they keep the air clean. They also keep the air clean. Okay, so today let us learn some of the parts of the plant. Okay, so if you look at the board, children, okay, these are the roots. What are these? These are the roots. Roots will make the plant to stand. Okay, they will fix, actually they will fix the plant in the soil. So this is the soil. Okay, this is the soil, and the roots will fix the plant in the soil. Okay, so what is the first part we are learning about the plant? It is the roots. What is the first point we are learning about the plant? It is the roots. Roots will fix the plant in the soil. Roots will fix the plant in the soil. Okay, children, the next is the stem. The next is the stem. Okay, to the stem only all the flowers, leaves and branches will be attached. The stem will make the plant to stand straight. The stem will make the plant to stand straight. Okay, so what is the importance of the stem? Stem will make the plant to stand straight. Okay, roots will fix the plant. Stem will make the plant to stand straight. Okay, then we have the flower. Okay, then we have the flowers, then we have the bud. Whenever you look at the flower, it gives a very beautiful aroma, smell, pleasant smell, isn't it? It gives a very good fragrance, isn't it? The flower gives very beautiful, pleasant fragrance, isn't it, children? And they are so beautiful that we can use the flowers to offer to God or to decorate the house also, isn't it? As a gift also we can give the flower to someone, isn't it? Many flower bouquets are done using the flowers, isn't it, children? So flowers are all very beautiful to see, and they gives a good fragrance they will give. So with the flowers we can decorate our house also, we can offer to God also, we can gift it to someone also, isn't it? So this is a flower, this is a flower. Now next one, the small one, what you can see, it is called as a bud. Okay, the small thing what you can see is a bud. The bud grows and then becomes a flower. Okay, children, flower just will not grow up like that. First it is the bud. The bud will develop into a flower. Okay, the bud grows into a flower. Okay, the bud grows into a flower. Okay, then we have the leaf. There are many leaves. This is one leaf. Okay, when we say many, we call it as leaves. We call it as leaves. Okay, so there are many leaves on a plant, and all the leaves are green in color. All the leaves are green in color. Okay, so we have learned about the stem. Stem, what is the importance of the stem? Stem will make the plant to stand straight. Okay, now the next one is the branch. Okay, branch means this is the main stem, children. Okay, this is the main stem from which more branches will come out. These are called branches. Okay, so this is one branch, this is one branch, this is one branch, and this is one branch. Okay, so from the main stem, from the stem, branches will come out. Okay, from the stem, this is the stem which will make the plant to stand straight. That is clear? Okay, from the stem the branches will come out. From the stem the branches will come out. Okay, children, so what are the different parts of a plant? Roots, which will fix the plant in the soil. Then the stem, which will make the plant to stand straight. Stem, which makes the plant to stand straight. Then we have the branches. Then we have the branches. There will be many branches. Okay, there will be many branches. Then we have the leaves. Then we have the leaves. All these are what, children? All these are leaves. Okay, then we have the flower. Okay, the beautiful part of the plant, the flower. The flowers are very beautiful and they give very pleasant fragrance. Then we have the bud. What is the small bud? Bud. This bud grows into a flower. The bud grows into a flower. Okay, children, so these are the different parts of a plant. Okay, all these are the different parts of a plant. Okay, children, now see, you might have seen in your surroundings that some plants are small, some plants are big, and some plants are very big, isn't it? So in our surroundings, whenever we look in our surroundings, we see different types of plants. We see different types of plants. Some are small, some are big, some are very big, isn't it, children? So these are the different types of plants. Okay, these are different types of plants. Okay, now whenever we talk about the different types of the plants, first thing we should talk is the herbs. Okay, herbs are very small plants. Herbs are very small plants. What are herbs? Herbs are very small plants. See, these are the plants we are talking about. We are talking about different types of the plants. So herbs are the very small plants. Then it is the shrubs. Then it is the shrubs. Shrubs are little bigger than the herbs. Okay, shrubs are little bigger than the herbs. So first one are herbs, The next one are the shrubs. Okay, shrubs are little bigger in size. Okay, then we shall talk about the climbers. What do you understand by climbers, children? Climbers means which climb up. Okay, now when you want to go to the terrace, you climb the stairs, isn't it? When you want to go up to the first floor, you climb the stairs, isn't it? In the same manner, some plants also will climb up with the help of a wall, okay, or with the help of some other plant. These are called as climbers. So what are climbers? The plants which grow up. The plants which grow up with the help of some other plant or support is called as climbers. So what are climbers? Climbers are the plants which grow up with the help of other plants or trees or ball or with some other support. Okay, children. Then we shall talk about creepers. The next type of plants are creepers. Now what you understand by creepers? Creepers also are very weak stems. So stem of the creepers will be very weak. These creepers cannot stand up. Okay, the creepers cannot stand up. They spread on the ground. Okay, creepers are the plants which spread on the ground. Creepers are the plants which spread on the ground. Okay, children, are you understanding? So herbs, okay, herbs like we have mint. Mint means pudina. Herbs are pudina. Shrubs are plants. Many flowering plants are the shrubs. Then we have the climbers. Climbers is like money plant. Okay, climbers like money plant or grape plants. Okay, then we have the creepers. Creepers like pumpkin, watermelon. Okay, then we have big huge trees. Then we have big huge trees. These trees are like neem tree, mango tree, banyan tree. Okay, so trees are very big in size. Okay, children, so these are the different types of the plants. So what we have learnt in today's class, we have learnt about the different parts of a plant. That is the roots, that is the stem, flower, bud, leaf and branch. Okay, then what we have learnt? We have learnt about the different types of the plants. Herbs, the different types of plants are herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, trees. Okay, so what are the different types of plants? Herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers and the trees. Trees are very big plants. Okay, trees are very big plants. Very big plants are called trees. Okay, children, so this is about today's class. So we have learnt about the parts of the plant and different plants. Okay. Okay, children. So learn the different parts of a plant and about different types of plants also. Thank you.